हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एचएम गुरुकुल। मैं हूँ हीरल और आज हम सीखने वाले हैं व्हाट आर द 20 टाइप्स ऑफ हर्ब यूज्ड इन कॉन्टिनेंटल क्विजीन्स। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट वन इज बेसिल। इट इज यूज्ड इन इटालियन, फ्रेंच dishes, especially in sauces and salads. And the second one is thyme, popular in French, Italian, and Mediterranean dishes, often used with meat and stews. Third one is rosemary, which is an aromatic herb used in roasted meats, potato, and breads. Fourth one is parsley, which is fresh or dried, often used as garnish or in soups or sauces. जो parsley है वो usually fresh और dry दोनों तरीके से use हो सकता है. Fifth one is oregano, which is strongly associated with Italian, Greek, and Mediterranean dishes, especially for pizza and pasta sauces. Sixth one is sage, commonly used in stuffing, poultry dishes and sauces. Seventh one is tarragon, जो कि ज़्यादातर फ्रेंच क्विजीन में यूज़ किया जाता है sauces like बेर्नेस में. Eighth one is dill, which is oftenly used with fish, particularly in Scandinavian cuisine and in pickling. Our ninth herb is chervil, जो कि एक mild herb है which is similar to parsley, used in French dishes and soups and salads as well. And the 10th one is bay leaf, जिसे हम हिंदी में तेज पत्ता भी कहते हैं. It is used whole in soups and sausages for flavoring. 11th one is mint, जिसे हम हिंदी में पुदीना भी कहते हैं. It is used in Mediterranean and British dishes, often with lamb, salads or in sausage. Our next herb is coriander, which is also called as cilantro, और इसे हिंदी में धनिया भी कहा जाता है. It is used in Mediterranean, Latin and Asian inspired continental dishes. Our 13th herb is chives, which is mild onion flavored, often used in salads, soups and garnishing. 14th is marjoram, which is related to oregano but sweeter, used in soups, sauces and meats. 15th, lovage, tastes like celery, used in soups, broths and salads. 16th is fennel fronds, which is used in Mediterranean cooking, particularly with fish dishes. 17th is borage. It is a blue flowered herb जो कि salads और garnishes में कभी-कभी यूज किया जाता है. 18th, sorrel, adds a tangy lemony flavor. It is used in soups, sauce or with fish. 19th is lemon verbena. It is used in sauces, marinades and desserts for citrusy aroma. The last 20th is cress. It is a mild peppery flavor, often used in salads and as a garnish. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. हमारे इंस्टा, फेसबुक और लिंक्डइन आईडी को भी फॉलो कीजिए. थैंक यू.